Hi, I'm Rhoda Gordon. Thanks for joining me at Dig Your Photos. I am the owner of Sunflower Photo Solutions, a certified photo manager, and the creator of Dig Your Photos, a DIY print photo organizing kit. Today, I want to talk a little bit about how to take photos more mindfully so that we have less photos on our camera roll and we can find the photos that we love and enjoy. I know in this day and age, when we have our kids home or our grandkids come to visit, we want to get that one good shot, right? Where everybody has their eyes open and everybody's hands are down and everybody's posing and all looking at the camera at the exact same time. And it doesn't always happen, but sometimes we almost, especially the children, feel a little bit held hostage by getting that perfect photo. And so I just want to remind you that not perfect is sometimes just perfect. Capture the moment and move on. And honestly, I personally feel, and maybe you will feel this way too if you look back on your pictures, that the candids really have a much richer story behind them than the posed photos. So I would encourage you to take more candids. When you're out at the park, you don't have to set up all the kids on the slides, you get that perfect picture. Just actually take pictures of them having fun. And then put down the phone and enjoy yourself too. Be in the moment. If you have less photos on your camera roll, it'll be easier to find the ones you love and to identify the ones that are more meaningful to you. So take one or two post pictures and then move on. Take some candids and then put the phone down and enjoy your day. Thanks. And don't forget to like and subscribe.